Today we're going to go to a car show.
Waverly Hills Sanatorium. One of the most haunted places in the world. And you can tour it. And hopefully we get to tour it.
Waverly Hills became a sanatorium to fight the tuberculosis outbreak of the early 1900s, where some survived, but an estimated 1,000 patients who suffered from the disease didn't. Car show organizers are trying to cast a bit of a brighter shadow on the grounds today.
This started off as a one-room schoolhouse, believe it or not. Eventually wound up 2 stories, and then it turned into this. It's just incredible, and it's as massive as you think it is. We should check out some cars, don't you think?
Yes.
I found one. Check this out. Oh my goodness. How does that all fit under one hood, man? I'm serious. I'm trying to talk so the copyright thing doesn't affect us. But I wanted to show this car. Look at it. Look at it. Okay. Got to cut the sound in the background, I think, so I can show you this car. Oh, so nice. Do you get the feeling we're being watched? I mean, do you get that feeling?
Well, that gargoyle over there is kind of pointed toward us. Maybe that's it.
This thing has gargoyles? What?
Very cool. By the way,
Right there.
Well, and then they're all up with all
Oh, that's right. They're up on the top. A little creeped out now, just so you know.
When you think of the sanatorium, when they built it here, the whole idea was to have people being able to sit out in the open air. I mean, really, they didn't have a cure for TB back then.
That's what they thought helped, was
so that
fresh
was
air.
their only answer. Put them up where away from everybody. They were contagious. They had to drop everything in their life and come here. And they lived here and most likely died here.
And legend has it that there is a ball that gets rolled through one of the hallways by a little child. I had a friend go through here and he said it actually appeared when they were here at night. And yes, you can tour it at night. No, we're not going to tour it at night because we're a little too chicken. You want us to go through Waverly at night? Just let us know in the comments. Okay, I love this one. Buster Bug. Oh man, this is the beach car if I ever saw one. Look at that. With the lay in the window and everything. Custom paint, which means like no paint. Talk about your patina. Wow. That is cute. Union 76. It's equipped and ready. Beach bound. Thank you very much. You're welcome. But this is for you Mini Cooper fans. This is from 1973. Look how that engine is in there, man. You cannot miss this. There's your badging. This is one compact ride. This is evidently, definitely English. What would Waverly be without having an actual hearse and, you know, accoutrements? Extras. Yeah, it's a little creepy. Okay, I've been doing all the talking. What do you like out here?
Well, we haven't seen much of it yet, but I really like this truck that's in front of it. What is that?
See, this is, there you go, Chevrolet. What else do we need to know? Hang on, we'll find out. We found out from Calvin, the owner, it's a 49 Chevy 3100. I don't think that engine is stock, but it's pretty. And guess what? He said we can actually get up in this thing. Oh man! I think I'm gonna chance that because this is just too nice. Look at this bed. Look at this flooring. Man. These are the kind of cars, the kind of finds we look for when we go out. Like that Chevrolet right there. Man. Done very clever badging for autism. You see that on the side?
It's pretty cool. Why they do that?
You got your Mustang. Camaro. Looks like they're working on that one. So you got the red inside, the black out. This probably is a primer. And then you have a Volvo. It's a Volvo.
Oh.
There's one thing you don't usually see at a car show is a Volvo. But you do see stuff like this. Man, look at that. That is so cool. Beds that just can't stay. Slimer. One thing about being at the Waverly show today, no short on the sand. Down to the ground. This one? Okay, use your imagination on this one, guys. How would you paint it? What would you do? What kind of graphics would you put on it? Wheels. See, it's a blank canvas. Think about it and enjoy. Okay, we're back into keeping with Waverly Hills. We got Chucky. There's Chucky Drive. Child's Play. Who knew it would be a bug, but you knew it would have stitching. This is one of the cars you'd be afraid to park in your driveway, especially if Chucky was standing there. Hey, look! Ooh. Perfect car for Waverly Hills Sanatorium. And by the way, locals do call it Waverly. Okay, Rad Rod fans, get ready. Here it comes. Look at this. Look at this. Talk about in the raw. But the pipe's coming right off the head. Slammed all the way down to the ground. Probably get some traction. It's a 1939 31 Model A sedan. Again, it's the stuff dreams are made of, man, especially if you're a rat rod. This is cool. I don't know how you feel about, you know, Jesus and stuff, but this was just too cool to pass up.
I like that.
With gold wing doors? Oh man, this is somebody's dream Camaro right here. Excalibur. Wow, man, oh man, and it's a convertible. Great cruising coming up in this thing. Okay, so what do you think our chances are of getting inside Waverly? We love the car show, but come on, it's Waverly Hills, man.
Yeah, but you know, I don't think we're going to get in it today. They have tours. I don't know if you all know or ever even heard of Waverly, but you need to kind of check into it a little bit. There have been a ton of like the Ghostbusters.
Yeah, they've been here like crazy. It's one of the most haunted places in the world.
Yeah, so a friend of mine went through, and her and her son, and the neat part about it is they took pictures. Well, you know, a lot of things can come up in a picture, but they have some sightings there that I don't know how you could fight it, that it wasn't people moving. You literally saw the person's body. It was a woman walking down the hallway. So I've always wanted to go, but at the same time, I don't want to see that kind of stuff.
Yeah, that's why we said we didn't want to do this, but we did. Don't, but do. So the idea of doing it at nighttime, it's still there. You know, it's still there. We can't fight it. Okay, there's a lot going on with this one. We're really living the past. What were these tails they used to put? Were they raccoon tails? I forget, but you can tell with the kind of wheels that they got on it for back in the day, this is what you would have called a hot rod. Grease knuckles. I remember these folks. This is the kind of stuff that's just basic. Basic old hot rod. Probably one of those moonshiner cars. Just saying. Not this one specifically, but this kind of car. Okay, look at that steering wheel.
Okay, I saw something that you really need to see. When you see this, you're not going to want to go any farther.
This is for you vet fans. 1969 Stingray, and it is mint. Guy says it's his grandma's car. This is one cool grandma. Oh man, oh man, oh man. I think he was kidding with me, because this thing, but I don't know, this thing is so mint inside. It's got the T-top, and it's not glass. Back in the day when the T-top came out, they were all glass, and all people had to do to break into your car was, you know, bust the glass. A lot of what we're seeing today is people fixing up modern day cars. We want to find some stuff. Oh, hang on, I think we found something a little unusual.
I think you found it.
I think, yeah, you want to see this. It's kind of an up-to-date Dodge, but one little extra, you know. I think this is the zombie apocalypse truck. Yep. Zombie outbreak response team. I think we've had this on a video before. Look at this, your choice of bats. This one's got some barbed wire for you there if you know, choose. And some fuel, of course. And this is where you put the zombies, right? Okay. Fun day at Waverly. Oh, one last thing. Look at this. The saw blade. Does that come out or did somebody throw it at the truck?
Oh no, you haven't seen the last thing.
No?
Come this way.
Oh. I missed something. What did I miss?
I had put the camera down that way.
Oh my goodness. Okay. Talk about putting your best foot forward. They actually have a badge. Zombie outbreak response team. You want to know more? I'm going to put their information down below. Okay. Just in time before we left Waverly Hills, what would we find? Yeah, this guy. I like this. Oh, got to think about an old 100s. Love this too. Just enough, what you call custom work on it, on the paint. Oh yeah, love this. But look at this, pinstriping on the wheels. How cool is that? We found a Chevy with a little extra. When I say extra, look at this paint. First off, it's a cool color, but can you see the different flakes in there? The red, silver. And evidently, the guy who did it's not a pro. This top looks good. I always love these on the headlights. It's kind of like they're winking at you or something. You have an eyelid. Gotta get one more Waverly car in before we go though. There you go. Look at the skull on the front. Nice custom flame job. This was probably not the station wagon that Chevy Chase would have driven in vacation. Of course, that does look like one of his passengers, right? Yeah. I know it's car show, but look what we came across at Waverly Hills. Oh man, it's an Indian. It's not, no, it's not vintage. It's one of the newer ones, but look at the detailing the guy has gone into. And this sidecar is not an Indian sidecar. It's made by a company, I think it said the name was Champion, to make it look like the old Indian sidecar. This detail that's gone into it's amazing. This is one of those kind of things you wouldn't mind driving anywhere. But how good would that look? Going down the Vegas Strip, and it's got its own special message. Love this. This is where we're going to end our spooky adventure today. The spooky Waverly Hills Sanatorium car show. The guys are starting to leave. Guys, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up, all right? Make sure you share the link. It's important. Power. Tell your friends too, because that helps us grow. A lot of people who watch us haven't subscribed. We really need you to subscribe, guys, because it makes us really able to make more videos. We love making videos for you guys. So if you would, just click the little notification bell too. And
check out Waverly Sanatorium in Louisville, Kentucky. If you're just interested in that kind of stuff, it's a pretty cool story on there. Pretty cool story. It'll give you chills. It's that cool. Yeah, I mean, it's, yeah. Yeah. Don't forget, guys, adventure is as close as the next off-ramp. You know, this is kind of a fun adventure, but I'm really kind of hoping we're not taking anything home with us, you know, souvenir kind of stuff. You didn't want that gargoyle that I put in the car? I don't worry about the gargoyle, no. I got it in the car. It's more like the people that, you know, still kind of inhabits Waverly. The ghost of yesterday. Oh. Sorry, it's drama. Gotta have drama on a video. That's what they told me.